Well, good morning all. It's hopefully looking like it's going to be a rather nice day. It's now at 4:17 in the morning. A bit early, I know, but I don't expect you're joining me at this time of day. We'll see how it goes, and we'll catch up soon. Well, 5:42 now, and other than mice and birds, I've seen nothing. I'm really surprised. But all the birds are having a good feed. Where's your mate gone? Well, it's now 7:23. It's a beautiful morning. I'm going to pick up the 3 that I've got here, and I'm going to go down to the next feeder and give that an hour or so, because it's gone completely dead here. Although I am seeing lots of birds, which is nice, because a few years ago when I started here, we didn't see many birds on the feeders at all. So it is nice to know that what I'm doing is working. Well, good job I came to this feeder. It was all but empty. So, topped up. Let's see what happens. See this little weed? Well, I didn't. Pellet found it though. I bet he wish he kept running. This one just wouldn't keep still. Was in and out of gooseberry bushes and whatever. Desperately trying to get in the cage where the strawberries are kept. And, that one's nailed down. He can't get in there. This one eventually got in line for a shot. I missed it. And then I didn't record when I did shoot it out of the tree behind. Sorry, folks. But that's it for another one. Until next time. Shoot straight. Take care, guys.